In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Hotmail account. If you use Outlook.com, formerly known as Hotmail, switching the interface language is quick and only takes a moment. We'll do this in a desktop browser and you'll need to be signed into your Microsoft account. First, head to the official Outlook sign-in page from Microsoft. This ensures you're on the correct, secure site. Once you're there, click Sign In. If you use more than one Microsoft account, choose the existing account you want to update and complete any prompts you see on screen. After a successful sign-in, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. Now look to the upper right corner of the page. Click your profile picture or avatar. This opens a panel that gives you access to account options. From here, you'll move into Outlook's Settings area. In the Settings menu, find and select General. This is where Outlook groups core preferences that affect your overall experience. Within General, choose Language and Time. This page controls the display language, the regional format, and the time zone your mailbox uses. To change the language, open the Language dropdown. You'll see a long list of supported languages. Scroll or type to search for the language you want, then select it. As soon as you pick a new language, Outlook will update the interface labels, navigation, and system messages to match your choice. In some cases, you may see a brief loading indicator while the changes apply. A few tips while you're here. If you're switching languages because of regional formatting, like how dates, times, or numbers appear, check the other options on this page as well. Matching your country or region and time zone to your location helps ensure calendar invites and timestamps display correctly. If you don't immediately see the change across every page, refresh the browser tab. The update typically takes effect right away, but a quick refresh ensures all sections of the mailbox reflect your new language. If your screen looks a bit different, for example, if you're using a work or school account hosted by an organization, the settings layout might vary slightly. You can still use the search bar within Settings and type Language to jump straight to the right option. And remember, changing the language on the web doesn't automatically change the language in the mobile app. The app usually follows your device settings. That's it. You've changed the language for your Hotmail account in Outlook.com. Save your changes, give the page a refresh if needed, and you're ready to continue emailing in the language you prefer.